Sciquest. What is Sciquest? Sciquest is a journey of discovery from known to unknown, simple to complex, through different approaches, experiments, and hands-on activities. Learners will acquire core scientific skills like observation, investigation, prediction, and reporting. Core components. Sciquest follows the maxims of teaching, that is, moving from known to unknown, simple to complex, self, that is inside, to society, that is outside. First one is self. This includes myself, my body, feelings, senses, and internal system. Then comes the neighborhood. This includes home, school, places in neighborhood, transport, and community helpers. Next is food kingdom. This includes plants, fruits, vegetables, and how food originates. Animal kingdom. This includes birds, animals, and insects. Nature. This includes seasons, weather, landforms, planets, air, and water. Technology. This includes transport, new and old machines. Each component moves in a progression. Let's take an example of self. Playgroup learns about gender, age, senses. Then nursery learns about family members and types of family. Then in EJ, children learn about different feelings that one go through. And in ES, they learn about the internal system of our body. Sciquest at a glance. A glance of all the themes that will be covered across all the levels. Approaches. Concept formation model. In this model, children will be provided with different categories and they have to find the rationale behind the categories. Example, teacher to keep the air transport vehicles together, water transport vehicles together, and road transport vehicles together. Also, she can name the groups. Then tell the children to figure out why bus, car, truck are put in one group, why the boat, ship, cruise have been put in different group. Next, round robin. In this method, children are divided in small groups. Then they share the information that they have on a particular topic within the group. The teacher then compiles all the information and completes the topic. Example, teacher to divide the children in 3 groups. Give one group a model of bicycle, one group a model of motorcycle, and one group a model of an auto rickshaw. Ask each member of the group to share any information that they know about the vehicle. After some time, let each group share the information with the whole class. They can share the name of the vehicle, the number of wheels it has, what are the different colors that you see, and so on. Next, experiential learning model. This emphasizes learning through direct experience and active engagement rather than passive reception of information. Example, growing a plant. The children can actually observe how a plant grows day by day. Interviewing. Resource person can be called in and the children can ask appropriate questions. Simulation. Simulation is creating a situation or environment in the classroom. Example, for the concept of bus, teacher can arrange chairs in the classroom like the rows of the seats in the bus. Children can enjoy the bus ride. One child can be a bus conductor and a driver. The conductor can give them tickets and so on. This then becomes the role play. Brainstorming. This method is particularly appropriate at the start of the lesson to tap into the background knowledge children may or may not have about a topic. Simply defined, it is generation of lots of ideas about a single topic. Venn diagram. Teacher to draw two intersecting circles on the board. Common information for both the topics will come at the center. Example, for eagle and vulture, the common information like both are high-flying birds, have strong eyes and beak will come at the center, and other information related to each bird will come under their corresponding circles. Mental imagery. Children here are asked to close their eyes and imagine, that is, create a mental image. Example, the teacher could say, you are in a desert, it is very hot, see the camels around you. Then after some time, the teacher can ask them to open their eyes and describe what they saw. KWL. This is mostly done at the start of the theme where the teacher asks the children what they know about the topic, then what they want to learn and what they have learned at the end of the theme. Learning aids. Different learning aids that the teacher will use to teach Sciquest. Classroom supplement kit. It consists of cutouts and picture cards. Some of the CSK samples that the teacher will use. Takeaway. Few of the takeaway samples. Takeaway videos will be given along with the takeaway manual. For EG and ES, there are 4 takeaways for each theme, and they have been planned in such a way that each week will have one takeaway. A separate 30-minute slots is given in the timetable for takeaway. Thinking routines. As thinking routine is a part of the curriculum, 4 to 5 thinking routines are included for Sciquest in each theme. An example of thinking routine for kindergarten. Teacher to draw the chart on the floor and write habitats at the top. Then ask the children to name the 3 habitats. Teacher to then write the names of the 3 habitats on the chart. She will then call children one by one and give them an animal flashcard. They have to name the animal, identify the habitat and place it accordingly. Assessment. Children will be assessed for observation and investigation skills, prediction and reporting. A sample of the progress card. Thank you.